Okay, my friends, so here's, per request, a quiz about sea turtles. Actually, sea turtle hatchlings, more specifically. So, my family goes down and does some work in Mexico with sea turtles, and we've got some parameters, I guess, here. This little quote. For most sea turtle species, undisturbed nests can have more than 90% of the clutch successfully hatch. Nests disturbed by humans or animal predators tend to have a 25% or even much lower success rate. Okay, so I got a random sample here, 8481 out of 9941 eggs. So we got 8,481 hatches out of 9941. 84819941. 8481 9941. There we go. So that's the confidence interval right here. 85% to 86%, or if you want to get more precise, I guess, I don't know if we should, but 84.6% to 86%. That's the rate, assuming that our selection of eggs was a random sample of all possible eggs on the beach. That is the rate when we incubate them in the safety of a climate controlled tent where everything is kept optimally: humidity, temperature, light, everything. We are 95% confident we are getting a hatch rate of about 84.5 to 86%. So that was the first question on the quiz there. Now, the next two are asking you to compare that interval to the claims above. First I said, I feel good we're doing a good job. I feel good we're doing a good job. I guess that makes sense. Of bettering the survival rates of turtle hatchlings on that beach that has more and more human traffic. How can I make that claim? Well, 25% is completely below this interval. I mean, even at the lowest, it's 85%. So at the lowest, it's 60% better. I shouldn't say that. It's 60 percentage points higher. It's not 60% better. It's about 3 times as good. All right. And then I said, I also feel we're not doing quite as well as Mother Nature would do on an undisturbed beach, which is also true, because assuming this 90% is true, which arguable, actually both of these are arguable, but assuming that 90% is true, 90% is above our highest estimate here, which is 86%. So we are, if we are indeed achieving this rate in the general population, somewhere between 84.5 and 86 in the general population, then we're doing better than on a disturbed beach, because a disturbed beach is getting only a quarter hatchlings. We might not be doing as well as Mother Nature perfectly behaving on an undisturbed beach, but this is not an undisturbed beach, so I feel good about it. All right, hope that helped, friends.